Tired of financial confusion? Our Excel income and expense template gives you total control. Record unlimited income and expenses, choose from 10 currencies, and get an automatic dashboard with clear charts. Our Excel income and expense template is a professional, intuitive, and fully customizable tool designed to simplify financial management, perfect for both personal and business use. This template allows you to keep a detailed record of your financial transactions with a practical and visual approach. Modules of the Excel income and expense template. 1. Configuration. Customize your experience with up to 10 different currencies: dollar, euro, pound, Argentine peso, Chilean peso, Colombian peso, Bolivian bolivar, Guatemalan quetzal, and Peruvian sol, ensuring the template perfectly fits your region. Plus, record unlimited income and expense categories for detailed and accurate classification. 2. Income tracking. Designed with a methodology for unlimited monthly records, you'll never miss a detail of your finances. Easily input all your income without restrictions, giving you the flexibility you need. 3. Expense tracking. Record your expenses monthly with a simple and efficient form. Unlimited records, ideal for users with multiple expense sources. 4. Financial dashboard. Visualize your financial overview instantly. Our dynamic dashboard automatically generates charts and key data such as total income, total expenses, net results, monthly averages, and your most relevant income and expense categories. This simplified visual representation will help you make informed decisions with a clear and professional perspective. Our automated dashboard provides an instant view of your money with charts that simplify the complex. Control, clarity, and professionalism at your fingertips. Make your money work for you. Ideal for freelancers, entrepreneurs, or anyone looking for a powerful and easy-to-use tool to organize their finances. Start transforming your finances with clarity and control today.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.